today it's Wednesday, which means it's our exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osisera, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we continue our free weight exercise dumbbell series with shoulder press. That's right, here we go. So as usual, you want to make sure that your feet are spread shoulder width apart. And since we're actually working the front part of our shoulders as we push up and squeeze, we want to make sure that those weights are as close to our face as possible, maybe about shoulder width. And then as we press up, we're making sure that we squeeze the front part of our shoulders, okay? Squeezing the front part of our shoulders. Now from this angle, we want to make sure, notice now as I lift up my arms, I'm fully extending it, squeezing my shoulder all the way up, getting that full extension at the elbow, and then coming back down, bringing that elbow back down to reset, and then rinse and repeat for max rep. And then lastly, since this is a predominantly front shoulder exercise, you can actually move your arms out a little bit to the side a little bit, and what that's going to do is that's going to place more of the strain on the top part of your shoulder, allowing you to get that good burn as you extend your arms up in the air and back down. So guys, I hope that helps. That's all for today. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button. Let's do this again sometime.